ain't so, JD.
Yeah, this time last year we were talking about a storm system that brought snow on Halloween. This could be a much bigger deal. So if you live across the eastern seaboard, especially from the Carolinas up to Maine, I need you to start thinking now about what your preparations are going to be for a very large, perhaps destructive storm. So this is Sandy, Category 2 storm. It was a Category 3 when it made landfall across Cuba. Now moving closer to the Bahamas. We think still is a Category 2 storm, but you can already see this is a huge storm. Hundreds and hundreds of miles. So you're already seeing outer bands scraping across South Florida and the Keys. Here's our future radar just heading into Thursday and Friday. One of our computer models showing that even the center is way offshore, but we're still getting the battering waves and wind and rain across the coastline. There's your latest forecast track. We get a new track at 11 o'clock. Really important because this track is going to kind of show us if indeed we think this storm is going to make a hook back into the coastline. And it certainly does look like that. It's going to kind of interact with a cold front that's moving across the East Coast, transition the storm into perhaps a superstorm, something that they saw with the Perfect Storm. Remember that? Remember the movie, 1991? It merged with a hurricane, a cold core system merged with a hurricane and brought the perfect storm conditions, but it was offshore. This system could move onshore and be potentially more destructive. This could be a $1 billion event. So certainly all eyes are watching it. Back to you.
You're talking about